The town of Sulligent is getting help with some paving projects thanks to the state of Alabama. The Alabama Department of Transportation has awarded Sulligent $350,000 in grant money under the Rebuild Alabama grant program. The money is set aside by the legislature to help cities and counties pay for road and bridge repairs and improvements. Sulligent is planning to use the money to resurface all or parts of 17 streets, a total of just under 5 miles. The total cost of the project is expected to be $850,000. The city had to put up $500,000 in matching funds.